How to set up the hydroponic system. 3 of the walls of the structure are connected to one another by straps from below and bolts from above. On both the front and the back there are special clips to hold the pipes. Small on the front for the water supply system and large on the back for the drainage system. The straps are bolted. The water supply system is installed with pipes connected with taps. This system is fixed to clips on the front legs. The pump is located in the water tank and is connected by additional pipes. The trays are being installed. The installation of drainage pipes. The base of the module is bolted to the lower part of the front of the structure. Then the lid is locked. The power for the pump is connected to this module. This module is connected to the network only after the trays have been filled with seeds. Preparation of the seeds before being planted. To begin with, it is necessary to clean the seeds from impurities. For this, the container with seeds is filled with water. Also, the volume of water should correspond to the volume of the seeds. As a result, on the surface of the water, various impurities will pop up. Any remains should be removed manually. This is an important stage in growing plants because it provides better growth. After the purification, seeds are transported in a bag. Disinfecting with potassium permanganate solution. Prepare the solution by dissolving 0.1 grams potassium permanganate in 10 litres of water. The bucket with seeds is soaked in the solution for 30 minutes. Following that, the bucket with the seeds is soaked in warm water for 12 hours. After purification and disinfection, the seeds are placed in the trays. The layer of seeds ought to be approximately 2 centimeters deep. 4 kilograms of seeds is used per tray. It is necessary to strew from the drainage side in order to allow the outflow of the water to flow more freely. To smooth the seeds layer, you can use a spatula. Water is being pumped into the tank. Module power is connected to the network. Setting the module. By opening the lid on the timer, you should press the button with the clock image. All taps open with a half turn. Now the installation is switched on. Lighting. For the first 3 days, the seeds should be in full darkness. You can use sodium lamps or LEDs. The next 4 days should be under lighting from 8 AM to 8 PM. The grass grows at 18 degrees Celsius. After the grass has grown, it is time to harvest it. 1 tray provides 20 kilograms of green grass. After 8 days, we can collect 150 to 160 kilograms of grass from the whole installation. 20 kilograms of grass is enough to feed 2 cows, or 5 pigs, or 15 sheep, or 50 rabbits, or 400 hens. It is possible to extend the system.